Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about the migration of birds, part second. In this video, we will see modes of flight in migration. Modes of flight in migration. So there are having different modes at the time of flight in the case of migration. First, nocturnal and diurnal flight. Ducks, gulls, shoebirds, and many others may migrate at night or in the day. Many large birds fly mainly by day, such as the crows, swallows, robins, blackbirds, hawks, bluebirds, jays, cranes, pelicans, geese, and other shorebirds. They can migrate at the time of day, while swallows and swifts capture their insect food in the air as they travel. At the time of traveling, they can take or they can catch their food in the air. These diurnal migrants have a greater tendency to travel in flocks, which may be well organized, like ducks, geese, and swans. Or sometimes they can having the loose type of flock, that is in case of swallows. But a vast majority of birds are chiefly nocturnal migrants. These include mostly small passenger birds such as warbles, thrushes, sparrows, etc. They prefer to fly at night under the protective cover of darkness to escape their enemies. So these are two types of modes, that is nocturnal and diurnal mode of flight. Second, segregation during migration. Certain birds such as nighthawks, swifts, and kingfishers travel in separate companies, while swallows, turkeys, bluebirds, etc., travel in mixed companies of several species. Due to similarity in their size, method of search of food, etc., they can travel in a mixed company. In some species, the male and female members travel separately. That is, males arrive first to build the nest. The young birds generally accompany the females. This is about the segregation during the migration. Third point, or third mode of flight during the migration, a range of migration. The distance traveled by migratory birds depend upon local conditions. The Himalayan snow partridge descends a few hundred feet only, and cover hardly a mile or two, while the chickens come down nearly 8,000 feet. The champion long distance migrant is unquestionably the Arctic tern. It spends the summer and breeds along the northmost ice-free coast of Labrador, far inside the Arctic Circle. Then it travels a distance of 11,000 miles to reach its destination to the edge of Antarctica in winter, and returns again through the same distance in summer. European white stork winters in South America after a journey of about 8,000 miles. The number fourth point, altitude of flight. Some birds fly quite close to the earth, while most routine migration probably takes place within 3,000 feet of the earth. Then some small land birds that migrating at the time of night can fly at about 5,000 to 14,000 feet. Some species even cross the Andes and the Himalayas at altitudes of 20,000 feet or more. Next point about speed and duration of flight. Average flight velocity of most small birds exceeds 30 miles per hour. The greatest speed recorded in India of two species of swifts is 171 to 200 miles per hour. Several hundreds of miles may be covered non-stop in a day or a night, with an average about 500 miles. Birds usually travel 5 to 6 hours a day, resting in between for food or drink. The golden plover holds the world record with the longest non-stop bird flight from Hudson Bay and Alaska to South America, a distance which is about 2,400 miles. Next, about the regularity of migration. Several species of migratory birds show a streaking regularity year after year in their timing of arrival and departure. In spite of long distance traveled, they are often punctual within a day or two in their time of arrival. Another remarkable feature besides punctuality is that they sometimes come back to the same breeding place year after year. And lastly, about routes of migration. The data furnished from lighthouse and ship reveals that migratory birds usually follow a definite line of flight. Observations by telescopes and radars show that nocturnal migration of small land birds proceed with the general airflow on a broad front. In spring, it occurs northwards along warm air currents from the south, and in autumn, southwards on the cool winds of the north. Deviation in path occurs due to configuration of land, coastlines, courses of great rivers, and intervening mountain chain, etc. So this is about the modes of flight in migration. In our next video on the same topic is about problems of migration. So thank you for watching this video.